Welcome to Easy Way for Education. Kite victers +1 accountancy class 5 ന്റെ നോട്ട്സ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting. Basic accounting terms. First one, expenses. Cost incurred to earn revenue. Salaries, wages, rent, telephone charges, electricity charges, etc. Second one, expenditure. Amount spending for some benefit. Capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. If the benefit lasts for more than 1 year, it is called capital expenditure. For example, purchase of machinery, purchase of building, etc. If the benefit is exhausted within a period of 1 year, it is called revenue expenditure. For example, purchase of goods, payment of salary, etc. Third one, profit. Excess of revenues over expenses during an accounting year. Profit increases owner's investment. For example, total revenues is equal to rupees 2 lakh. Total expenses is equal to rupees 1,50,000. Profit is equal to 2 lakh minus 1,50,000 is equal to 50,000. Fourth one, gain. Profit that arises from transactions which are incidental to a business. Example, sale of fixed assets, winning a court case, appreciation in the value of an asset, etc. Fifth one, loss. The excess of expenses over revenue during an accounting period decreases capital, decrease in money or money's worth. Example, total expenses is equal to 1 lakh. Total revenues is equal to 60,000. Loss is equal to 1 lakh minus 60,000, that is 40,000. Sixth one, discount. Deduction in the price of goods sold. Trade discount and cash discount. Deduction at the time of selling goods is called trade discount. Deduction for prompt paid is called cash discount. Seventh one, voucher, the documentary evidence in support of a transaction. For example, cash memo, invoice, receipt, etc. Eighth one, goods, products in which the business unit is dealing. For a furniture dealer, tables and chairs is termed as goods. For others, it is treated as an asset. For a stationery dealer, stationery is termed as good. For others, it is an expense. Drawings. Withdrawal of cash or goods by the owner from the business for his personal use. For example, Joel withdrew rupees 1,50,000 from his business for the marriage of his sister. Here, rupees 1,50,000 represent drawings. 10th one, purchases. Total amount of goods produced by a business. May be cash purchases or credit purchases. For example, Pranav purchased goods for rupees 2 lakh. He purchased goods from Sona traders on credit rupees 70,000. Here total purchases is equal to rupees 2 lakh plus rupees 70,000, that is 2,70,000. 11th one, stock or inventory. The value of unsold goods, opening stock and closing stock. The amount of stock at the beginning of the accounting period is called opening stock. Value of unsold goods at the end of the accounting period is called closing stock. Closing stock of a particular year becomes the opening stock of the next year. 12th one, debtors. Persons or other entities who own money to the business. Shown as an asset in the balance sheet. Example, sold goods to Krishna rupees 14,000. Sold goods to Sanjay for rupees 12,000. Here, debtors are Krishna and Sanjay. Rupees 26,000 shown as an asset in balance sheet. 13. Creditors, the persons or entities to whom the business owes money. Shows as a liability in the balance sheet. Purchased goods from Ajmal traders for rupees 30,000. Purchased goods from Sanjay and co-suppliers for rupees 20,000. Here, creditors rupees 50,000 shown as a liability in balance sheet. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ. പിന്നെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായി ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. പിന്നെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായിട്ട് ലഭിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സോ മറ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സുകളുടെ അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ് ആൻസേഴ്സോ വേണമെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.